welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you our Super Mario birthday party prep, starting off with what I shared last night when the kids were asleep, all the setup. So let's get that rolling. It is currently the night before the party and I have set up majority that I can just to make the birthday party go smoother. So I wanted to share with you guys what it is that I have laid out for right now. So I have a bowl right now for fireballs. Those are those Utz cheese balls right there. So I will pour that in come the party. A lot of these decorations actually came from my friend. She liked these boxes from Amazon, and then she printed out the like little characters and stuff. Now the blue outline characters actually got as cake toppers. I'll share the cake stuff above in a little bit, but she had this cute little like pipe idea for silverware, so I have that, forks, knives, and spoons. But like this guy, she just printed him off, used a toothpick to apply and put them into the boxes. So super cute, creates kind of like a tablescape decoration thing. So there's like Mario and a shell, and then like a coin, Princess Peach. Again, this was from the cake toppers I just added. And then I got a whole bunch of these plates from Amazon. So it came like this in a set. Everything I can find on Amazon that I use, I will link down below. But it has like Mario, Toad, Yoshi, there's Princess Peach in there. So all the different character plates right there. Just some napkins. Super easy, quick fruit idea for kids. Donkey Kong bananas for like banana peels. So I just grabbed a whole bunch of bananas. This was super cute that she had. It's like a Chinese lantern, and then she made it into like the bomb. How adorable and cute is that? So that is just kind of sitting here for that table decoration. Over here are where I'm keeping the cheese balls for right now. And then on this plate, I have the cake decorations. The cake is currently in our refrigerator. I will take it out and show you guys kind of what the finished product looks like. But I got this number 6 candle from Amazon. Also comes in different colors as well. Jackson wanted the gold. And then this was kind of like the set for the happy birthday. So we'll put these in. He said Bowser is his favorite character. So I have that for the cake. And then Amazon sold these like pack of little characters that you can put on the cake or cupcakes and stuff as well. You can use these as toys later on. He did not want Princess Peach. Princess Peach was given to my daughter, so she's been playing with that. But we have all of the characters right here, and then we are adding Bowser as well. So that will be on the cake in the morning, kind of closer to the party. So I'll show you everything with a little bit more lighting later, but right here is a kind of a beanbag game that I got from Amazon. Instead of these like little bean bags that it came with, I got my ball pit balls out. So I filled up a little bucket for the balls, so that will be a fun indoor game since it is supposed to rain all through the night and in the morning. So I did that, and then more kind of tablescape things that my friend had for me to use. So we have all the characters. Like I said, these she used Pringle cans to make the pipes for that one, and then it looks like she stuffed in some of that like foam filler, if you can see that. And then she used the toothpick to apply them. I just added a little toad, even though there's a toad right there. Probably can take that guy out. But have that for the kids' table. Also got a little banner. I had it originally on my stand, which I got that from Amazon too. It's adjustable. But with the game, I figured it was better to have the game on there than the banner. So the banner did come with like a double-sided sticky tape. So I applied that all over to hang up that birthday sign. In the morning, I did get a helium kit from Target. And then I have a couple of foil balloons. This is the 6th birthday pack for Mario. And then it looks like my friend also had a couple of extra as well that she didn't use or that was in her decorations box. So I will use this first and I'll see about those. And then Jackson wanted some of the regular colors as well. And then over here, we have kind of like the gift bag set up. So Jackson made this picture. I don't know how well you can see it. It says welcome as like a welcome sign for his friends. He wanted to display it, so I just put it right here. But here are all the gift bags for the party. This is super cute. My friend made, she said she made it with a broom and a box for like the flag. How adorable is that? Like, she is so crafty. I would have never thought of making something like that, but she did it. So a great inspiration idea. So let's go in one of these bags and see what I got in there for the kids. So these gift bags were actually a set you can get from Amazon. So it came with a sticker pack, some wristband bracelets, face masks, a little notebook for the kids, and then a mini keychain. And now all of these have different characters on them, and my son had a great time putting all of the bags and themes and stuff together for that. I did buy an extra pack of stickers just to kind of add on, enhance. I didn't know if this was going to be quite enough. It was kind of confusing for Amazon. So they have a big sticker, then they have a little sticker kind of face character. These came with a Mario Valentine's Day kit. So we had a bunch left over from Valentine's Day, so we added a big keychain and a little keychain to the gift bags. Then these are also all different colors, the notebook and the wristband bracelets, and then there are different face masks as well for the characters. So that is all that will be in the goodie bag. The last thing here was supposed to be another activity for the kids. I was gonna lay this big colored paper out on the dining room table with some crayons for them to color, but Jackson saw it and wanted to do it all himself. So he colored it, and then we just kind of hung it as decoration in my big playroom right now. So it still works, a less activity for like the kids to do together, but Jackson was happy doing it. It's his birthday, so we're gonna let him rock and roll with it. So it is now the next day of the party, and we've already got dressed, breakfast, hair, makeup, things like that. So let me show you what we got going on. So we have our drinks set up. We always have this for parties. This is the RTIC brand. It's also like the Yeti coolers, but we keep these out so that we have juice boxes, waters, Diet Coke, Coke, and Sprite and water. Just got to clean up fully from breakfast. Yeah, and now time to blow up these balloons.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do, 'cause I'm not gonna let you slip away. I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
So the party is now over. It was a huge success. The cake was delicious. We used all of the cake things, so it came with like the paper ones, then I had the figurines, and then what I forgot was number 6 candle. So we had the 6th candle. Everything went well. We were even able to play on the playground, even though it was a little bit rainy the day before, which was good. Had really easy Marco's pizza. Still have a bunch of bananas left in a whole container of those cheese balls. The boys, though, loved having cheese balls, would like grab some and then run off. Super successful, though. I will have everything linked down below if you guys are throwing a Mario party as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay subscribed for more videos from me. Bye.
eyes you dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile.